All right, boys and girls, now we're going to review our sound spelling cards in mixed order, but we're also going to include the spelling for every sound, okay? So remember, we're only going through our letters A through Z in mixed up order. Tell me the name of the card 2 times, the sound of the card 3 times, and you're going to read the spelling. Here we go. Puma, puma, P. Apple, apple, a, A. Gorilla, gorilla, g, 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 G. Rabbit, rabbit, R, W, R, blank. Wallaby, wallaby, w, W, blank. Horse, horse, H. Canoe, canoe, k, k, k. C, short vowel CK, K. Umbrella, umbrella, U. Tomato, tomato, t, t, t. T, blank ED. Van, van, V. Zipper, zipper, Z, Z, short vowel ZZ, blank S. Dolphin, dolphin, D, D, blank ED. Fossil, fossil, F, PH. Octopus, octopus, O. Sun, sun, S, CE, CI blank. Bicycle, bicycle, B. Egg, egg, EA. Jump, jump, J, short vowel DGE, blank GE, GI blank. Lemon, lemon, L, blank LE. Karate, karate, K, C, short vowel CK. Map, map, M. Yo, 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 Y, short vowel. Inch, inch, I. Quilt, quilt, QU blank. Box, box, X, short vowel X. Nest, nest, N, KN blank, GN. All right, boys and girls, this is the end of us reviewing our sound spelling cards. Only the letters A through Z with the name of the card, the sound of the card, and the spelling of the card. Practice this video, and when you're ready to go on to the next video, you can go ahead and move on.